My name is Pooja Narayan Khandalkar. Today's topic is method of object. So first of all, discuss about what is method. Method is a block. Method is a block. For example, suppose we have created one method like white display, then open close parenthesis and then open curly bracket and close curly bracket. In open curly bracket and close curly bracket we can write a specific code means method perform a specific task. Method is also a set of instruction or set of statement that perform a specific task. Method is also used to reusability of code. For example, suppose we have created one method in one class, then we can access this method in another class, means code reusability. Then method is also perform a special task, special task in which we can perform a menu operation or many important tasks. There are two types of method. First one is the predefined method and second one is the user defined method. The predefined methods, for example, the main these are the predefined method. Then the user defined method, like suppose we user create a method, user create a method, user point of view. This is the user defined method. Then we have take the one real time example of the method. Suppose animal is the class. And in which the dog and cat, these are the object, means class is the collection of object and object is the real time entity. And in which suppose the eat and run is the method. Suppose dog is running, means in run method dog perform a specific task or some task. Suppose dog is eating, in eat method dog perform a specific task, means dog is running. And also suppose cat is running, means run method perform some task, then cat is eating, then eat method perform a task. This is the real time example of the method. In this method dog and cat perform a task, perform some task. Then declaration of method can be declared. First of all, access modifier, then return type. Suppose access modifier, there are 4 access modifier: public, private, protected and default. The scope of the default access modifier is within the class. Then next the scope of the default access modifier is within the package. Then the scope of the protected access modifier is within the package and outside the package through the child class. Then next the public access modifier, the scope of the public access modifier is within the package and then outside the package, within the class and then outside the package. These are the access modifier. Then return type means void means nothing or null. Suppose we can put the return type like integer, means return a integer value. Then string, suppose return a string. Then suppose object, means return a object. Then method name, like suppose display, suppose display, run, eat. These are the method name. And in bracket we can passes a parameter, the method name, and parameter is also called as the method signature. In parameter we can passes the integer value, means then string parameter, open curly bracket, and in which write a code and close curly bracket. The write code perform some tasks. Some task means method is the set of instruction or a set of statement and block of a code that perform a some or particular task. But some or particular task. Then next one is object. The real time example of the object is the real time entity. The real time example of the object is dog, cat, etc. Objects. In object we can store. In object we can store the value. store the value. We can create the object, of a class, and by using the constructor is it is used to initialize, the constructor is used to initialize the object. We can create object in main method. By using new keyword, we can create object of a class. For example, class name, then reference variable is equal to new, then constructor, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and semicolon. Thank you.